I just thought that maybe we could just have a quick look at how Nifty is poised for the week ahead. So let me just check. So first step is to go here on investing.com. It's a great website which offers real-time data and amazing chart tools all for free. Of course, we have several brokers also who provide that information, but it's always good to be able to do something when the server sites are down. So without trying to promote any particular software broker, I just use investing.com to drive an assessment. Anyways, we'll have a look at Nifty here. So what we see, so one of the things that's very obvious for us is just this. I mean, it's a no-brainer that this is by definition what we call a falling market. But in this falling market, what we also see is something like this. And this. So now the question basically is, so here we have a horizontal ray. Now, without getting too much into details, we can clearly see that we know that W is a bottom reversal pattern, and here we are getting a W-like structure with the Friday closing over a critical pivot. And this W pattern, I mean, if I mark this in blue, has a clear-cut target. So all we have to do is connect the high and the low, and we'll begin to notice that this, just to get it precise, is somewhere around here. So we begin to get that this is around 9,030 and the low is around 7,500 roughly. So we can give it a good 1,500 point range. So when we extend this by 1,500 points from 9,030, so we get to around 10,580. So if I had to bet, this is also obviously the gap region. I mean, if we just have a look, so we can just mark this as a resistance. This is a critical gap resistance. So here basically, and so do we have here actually. So we should expect Nifty in the April series to have a pattern reach till here. So let's see how this goes. Hope you're carrying long positions. I'll just share my positions with you. It's pretty straightforward. Just here. So yeah, Torrent Pharma, Divis Lab, SRF, these two buggers are not doing well. But as you can see, we are by and large completely long. Even this position here, which is the only sell, is actually a sell on Nifty 7500 put. For April series, it's a defensive position we are taking to absorb premium, and hopefully we get that premium. So hopefully we are seeing this recovery in the market bottom, and when we sort of compare it with say other commodities, for example some critical commodities like crude oil, and see what they are doing, just to see if there is. So we are already seeing crude oil defend this previous low after the beating it has taken. When we go into another commodity which is like natural gas, these are all proxies for economic activity and things of that sort. We see natural gas is defending this zone right here, and of course natural gas is caught up in the zone right here. So it has made multiple fake breaks, but I think sooner or later we should expect a recovery on natural gas itself, because when we look at it from a very long time frame, what we get is a multi-decade low and a high right here on natural gas, which is unprecedented. So not till here, but definitely till reasonable. It's reasonably safe to assume that a security which is priced at 135 should find some meaningful targets, maybe till somewhere around here, at least in the short term. It'll be a range play, a slow play, but okay, it's a different chart from a trending chart. But it's a monthly time frame that I've selected, and hopefully we get a couple of months in after this break, and we can. It's obvious that this will be a stop loss. I'll just mark the stop loss with a different color in the position. Like I'll just mark this green is the absolute exit. Okay, and this will obviously start being the points where we'll ask ourselves if we want to continue long or not. And obviously below this point, we know that natural gas has changed historic trends, and we have to be careful. So anyways, best of luck. I'll stop the recording. I don't know how to do that.